Hi, it's me Ben, and today I'm going to be opening Slobber Knocker box. Let's see what we get today. Let's just open it and have a look. Second set done. It's the deluxe box in case anyone asks. Right, my first item is a sticker of El Ligero. I'll be honest, I'm not a fan of El Ligero. He's a bit stale, but I know a lot of people like him. Next, looks like a t-shirt. Let's have a look. Oh. Strong style, knee to the face. Well, that's the name of Nakamura's t-shirt, so I guess it's a t-shirt about Nakamura, not the capital of the Congo. Because that's also the capital of Congo. Anyway, next, we got some stickers. Let's see if we get any Bo Dallas or Dolph Ziggler this time. Let's have a look. We've got a shiny. We got a shiny New Day last time. Hopefully it's not a New Day again. Right, you'll see before I do. Well, maybe it'll look so. We got, see from the side, the League of Nations. That didn't last very long, did it? Yay, we got Bo Dallas, but with Brock Lesnar. Next we got Randy Orton and Cesaro. Dean Ambrose and Kevin Owens. That's Sasha Banks. He won the women's title last night on Raw. Okay, next we got a DVD. Fourth Generation Wrestling. Never heard of them. Oh, it looks the place. They're from Yorkshire. I'm going to guess, I think they're from Yorkshire. Our match is like Vix versus Lana Austin. Don't know who Vix is. Tony Storm versus River. Robbie X versus Noah. I guess that's Noah from Wonderland. Crazy Steve versus Lomax. I guess Crazy Steve's crazy because he's got two Z's in his name. And Jigsaw versus Tom Weaver. Watched Jigsaw twice this past weekend. Alright, let's see what's next. We got an autograph of Tiger Jr. Don't know who Tiger Jr. is. He'll be a British guy. I'll Google him after this. And now we got an autograph from Vix. She was on that fourth generation? Yeah, fourth generation video. Give her a watch. Guess Lana Austin, was it? Yeah, it was Lana Austin. Yeah. Okay. Another one. Autograph of Lou King Sharp from PBW. Again, no idea who Lou King Sharp is. Clever name, but I don't know who he is. Ooh, sliding away. And here we go. You better recognise D'Lo Brown. Everyone knows who D'Lo Brown is. Bit of a small picture. Yeah, D'Lo Brown's autograph. Ooh. Now we've got a TNA DVD. Joker's Wild. A few guys on the front. I'll show you. 24 TNA's wrestling finalists compete for glory and riches, including James Storm, Samoa Joe, Mr. Anderson, RVD, Christopher Daniels, Douglas Williams, Joseph Park, Matt Morgan, Robbie T, Kikash, Devon, and the biggest name in the back, Al Snow, greatest wrestler ever. You know it. I'll watch that just for off now. Oh, the boxes fell off. Oh well. And now we've got a second t-shirt. They click. Hall, Helmsley, Michaels, Waltman, and Nash. a bad t-shirt. The only thing, that's everything in the box. The only thing I would change myself, personally, is when you come to these autographs, I think that should have been a bigger picture. Not the best picture. So, I would have to pick fault like that. Anyway, that's it. That's all of it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.